Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of The Daily Dose, presented by Velocity Technologies. I'm Angelo, broadcasting from our office in Tempe, Arizona.
And I'm Nia, joining from our Tucson, Arizona location. We have an exciting topic for today, which is sure to pique the interest of all our tech enthusiast listeners out there.
Absolutely, Nia. Today, we're going to explore why 100 terabyte solid-state drives, or SSDs, are set to play a significant role in the development and deployment of ultra-large language models in the near future. This is a topic that's been making waves in the world of technology and artificial intelligence.
That's right, Angelo. As artificial intelligence continues to advance at an incredible pace, the need for efficient data storage solutions has become more crucial than ever. These 100 terabyte SSDs represent a key innovation in this area.
So let's start by breaking down what ultra-large language models are and why they require such massive storage capabilities. What are ultra-large language models are?
Ultra-large language models are a type of artificial intelligence designed to understand and generate human language in a way that's increasingly indistinguishable from human interaction. These models are trained on vast data sets, encompassing countless documents, articles, books, and other text sources.
That's a great explanation, Angelo. These models, like OpenAI's GPT series or Google's BERT, require immense computational resources to train and deploy. They utilize deep neural networks with billions, sometimes trillions of parameters. These parameters are essentially the settings that the model uses to make predictions and generate language. The challenges of training and deploying these models.
And with that complexity comes the challenge of training these models, which demands not only substantial computational power, but also massive amounts of storage. The data needed to train a model of this scale can easily exceed hundreds of terabytes. And
Indeed, this is where the need for large-scale storage solutions like 100 terabyte SSDs becomes apparent. Training an ultra-large language model involves a constant flow of data and adjustments to the model parameters, all of which need to be efficiently managed and stored. Why SSDs are preferred over traditional storage solutions?
so, why exactly are SSDs preferred over traditional hard drives in these scenarios? Well, the answer lies in their speed and reliability. SSDs provide faster data access speeds and lower latency compared to traditional hard disk drives, HDDs.
That's right, Angelo. The lack of moving parts in SSDs not only makes them faster, but also more durable and less prone to mechanical failure. These characteristics are particularly important when dealing with the heavy data workloads of AI models, where speed and uptime are critical. This is where, finally, benefits of 100 terabyte SSDs in AI workloads.
With 100 terabyte SSDs, companies can not only store larger data sets on fewer drives, but also streamline their data management processes. This means less physical space for storage hardware and reduced power consumption, which is a win for both efficiency and the environment.
Additionally, these large capacity SSDs can significantly reduce the time required for model training and inference processes. Faster data access means that models can be trained more quickly and efficiently, leading to quicker deployment and iteration cycles. End of technology advances. Enabling high-capacity storage.
The development of 100 terabyte SSDs is made possible by a combination of advancements in storage technology. For instance, companies are utilizing new types of NAND flash memory that allow for greater data density and more storage per chip.
Exactly. Technologies like three-dimensional NAND, where memory cells are stacked vertically, help increase storage capacity without increasing the physical footprint of the SSD. This is essential for packing more data into a similar or smaller space than previous technologies. Challenges faced in manufacturing high-capacity SSDs.
However, manufacturing these high-capacity SSDs isn't without its challenges. Producers need to ensure that they maintain a balance between increasing capacity while also keeping costs reasonable and reliability high.
And let's not forget about managing heat. With more data packed into a small space, heat dissipation becomes a major concern. Manufacturers are continuously innovating cooling solutions to ensure these drives operate efficiently and safely. Transformations in data centers and AI infrastructure.
The introduction of 100 terabyte SSDs is set to transform data centers and AI infrastructure. Facilities can be optimized with fewer drives, reducing the complexity of storage networks and potentially lowering costs.
And don't overlook the scalability factor. With larger storage capacities, data centers can scale up more efficiently, accommodating the rapid growth of data-intensive applications without the need for constant hardware upgrades. Broader implications for AI research and development.
For AI research and development, the implications are equally significant. Faster training times mean that researchers can experiment and iterate more rapidly, accelerating the overall pace of innovation in the field.
And with reduced costs associated with storage, more institutions, including universities and smaller companies, can participate in state-of-the-art AI research without prohibitive expenses. What's next for SSD technology?
Looking forward, the future of SSD technology is bright. As the demand for larger and faster storage solutions continues to grow, we can anticipate further advancements in storage technologies, potentially leading to even larger capacities and faster speeds.
That's exciting to think about, Angelo. With ongoing research into new materials and storage architectures, the possibilities are truly vast. We might even see newer, more revolutionary storage solutions emerging in the next few years. So, like, considerations for industry adoption.
That said, industry adoption of 100 terabyte SSDs will require careful planning and consideration. Organizations need to assess their current and future storage needs to ensure they invest in the right technology at the right time.
Absolutely. While the benefits are clear, integrating these large capacity SSDs into existing systems and infrastructure will involve technical, logistical, and financial considerations that must be thoughtfully managed.
Well, it seems we've covered a lot of ground today, Nia, from the intricacies of ultra-large language models to the revolutionary potential of 100 terabyte SSDs. It's clear that the future of data storage is both exciting and promising.
I couldn't agree more, Angelo. These advancements are not just about handling more data, but also about unlocking new possibilities for innovation and efficiency in computing and AI.
Before we wrap up, a word from our sponsor. Here at Velocity Technologies, we are committed to providing innovative IT solutions to meet the evolving needs of businesses. Whether you are looking to upgrade your infrastructure with cutting-edge storage solutions or need expert guidance on your IT projects, Velocity Technologies has the expertise and resources to help you succeed. For more information, visit our website at www.velocitytr.org//
Thank you, Angelo. And thank you to our listeners for tuning into the Daily Dose today. Be sure to join us next time as we continue to explore the latest in technology and innovation. Until then, take care.
Goodbye, everyone.